Okay, today we're going to be going over pages 89 and 90. So starting with the example here, we are looking at how the dilation is done. So we're trying to figure out, are these dilations done correctly? So for the first one, it says Christopher draws figures W, X, Y, and Z. Central dilation is V. Which, if any, are dilations? So if you remember, this is when we did like our test of, is it going correctly through every single angle here, all of our right angles. Okay. So I know my lines aren't perfectly straight, but hopefully you can see there what's working. Okay. So you need to get like a straight edge, a ruler, a folder, something like that, and test those lines. And then over here, write which ones are correct dilations. Okay. So hopefully that helps you on that one. Okay. If I go to the next page, number 2, it says Miss Romano draws figures A and A prime on the board. So remember, A is where we started. A prime is where we're going. Okay. So it's asking, are A and A prime similar? So remember, similar is same shape. It's okay if they're different sizes, different locations, things like that. So think about, are they similar? See if that helps on that one. Part B, Nadia says figure A is dilated to form A prime using a scale factor of 2. So she's saying it got twice as big, times 2. We're trying to figure out what mistake did she make and what is the correct scale factor. So if it's times 2, it should be getting bigger. If she starts with this one here, is it getting bigger is the question by 2. Okay. So hopefully that will give you some hints on that one. Okay. Number 3. We have a garden here, and he draws triangle PQR to show the original garden. And we're trying to make the garden bigger. So we started with the small triangle, the blue one, and went to the pink triangle, the bigger one. And we're going to try to figure out the fraction for the scale factor for the dilation. So the first one says PQ prime. So it's going to be all the way across here. So that would be 12. Let me zoom in a little bit here, actually. Hold on. There we go. So that would be 12 to just PQ. So just PQ is here. That would be 8. Okay. Then we have QR, or sorry, Q prime, R prime. That's this one here. So 15 compared to QR, which is 10. Then last but not least, we have PR prime, which is 9, to just PR, which is 6. Okay, so let's see if we can simplify these. So 12 and 8, I can divide both those by 4, and I can get 3 over 2. I can divide both of these by 3, or not by 3, sorry, hold on. By 2, or by 5. Get 3 over 2. And I can divide both of these by 3 and get 3 over 2. So that's good. We got the same thing for every single one. Okay, so what do the answers tell you about the scale factor? It tells us that the scale factor is 3 over 2. And then letter C, how do you know the corresponding angles of the two triangles are congruent? Okay. Well, if they grow by the same scale factor, the angles don't change. So if they grow, and I'll even put in parentheses here, they're similar. Okay. Feel free to pause if you need to. Okay. Okay. Last one, number 4. Figure WXYZ is a dilation. Label the center of dilation and then write a similarity statement. So remember the center of dilation, where they're overlapping and it's like growing out from. Okay. Your similarity statement, remember, is that little squiggle. So figure WXYZ is similar to figure WX prime Y prime Z prime. So this right here means similar to. Okay, I hope this helps you today.